Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get more matches on Happn app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Happn app, and once you open it, and make sure you have already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Happn apps on in the screen, and make sure you are in the explore section and you will be able to see a picture of the users on in the screen. So let's say I like this user, then you simply need to tap on the love icon or heart icon and you will be able to like them successfully. And if you want to dislike them, then simply tap on the cross icons on in the screen and you'll be able to dislike them successfully. Now, how to get a more matches on Happn app? So to get a more matches on Happn app, go to the likes, which is at the bottom right corner of this screen at the right side of the map option. So just tap on the likes option and you'll be able to see there is boost your profile option just down below of this screen, and there is a improve my profile as well. So just tap on the boost your profile and you can buy a premium and you'll be able to get more matches on Happn. But if you want to get a free matches, then simply tap on the improve my profile and you can update your profile from here. And you can also verify your profile if you want to get more matches. Just tap on the verify your profile and tap on the certify your profile. I'm not going to do it for now, so let me tap on the later. And yeah, you will be able to get more matches in here successfully. And if you want to get notifications of the matches, then simply tap on the notification bell, which is at the top right corner of this dashboard, and you'll be able to get a notifications of your matches and likes from your successfully. And if you want to chat with your matches, then you can simply tap on the crosses, which is at the bottom right corner of this screen, and you will be able to message with your matches from your successfully. So basically this is how you can get more matches on Happn app, and these are the ways to get more matches. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.